All right, let's look at number 4 here. How many clauses do you see? What are you going to try to get rid of?
The prep phrases.
Okay, of the expenses, what else?
Or share.
Okay, and that looks like one, but is that a preposition? It's
Or a phrasal verb.
this is an infinitive right here. No, it's not, I don't think it's a phrasal verb, but this is an infinitive phrase. So you see, we're still trying to chunk things off and see what they do. Now you see it, right?
Got something.
Yeah, see? All right, subject? What'd you do?
Forgot.
You forgot something. What is it that you forgot?
You forgot to pay me.
Wow. It feels like a pattern 8, doesn't it? Pay me, no, we'll leave it like that, pattern 7, because this is the direct object. There's no third noun phrase. Good. Now, for your share, is that modifying me or the paying?
It's modifying the paying.
Okay. All right, and of the expenses, is that modifying me or pay or what?
It's modifying share.
What kind of share is
The
it?
share of the expenses.
Okay, thank you. Your share of the expenses, right, as a determiner. What are we left with over here?
You
Incidentally. Now, that's
modify.
that wants to be an adverb, right?
Yeah.
But are you forgetting incidentally?
No.
Are you paying incidentally? No, this is that meta discourse one. So it just goes up here. All right, and because it's not adverbial, we're not forgetting incidentally. It's saying, hey, by the way, you forgot to pay me for your share of the expenses, you cheapskate. Sorry. That would have been evocative, right? You cheapskate. Now, number 5, let's move on. Can you read that for us? Oh, these are my favorites.
The weather being beautiful last Sunday morning, we decided to go to Silver Creek Falls for a picnic.
You like these too, right?
We decided.
Look at this. Let's just get rid of this. What else are you going to get rid of for now?
To go is an infinitive.
That's an infinitive. We'll just underline that.
That's not place to.
Well, yeah. But this
Picnic is also a prep phrase.
Yeah, so we don't even need those yet, right? Being. Ooh, is this the verb?
No,
Why not?
because there's no being form. Or it is a be. It is.
Oh,
verb.
no, it isn't. No, it's not. Does it say I am being? Or the weather is being?
No.
See, you got confused because the actual participle phrase is a be, okay? But even when this happens, you want to travel backwards and see if you see the auxiliary be. Do you see it? No. Okay, so we're going to save this, and what's our main clause?
The main clause is we decided.
Okay.
We decided something.
So, yeah, it feels like something, right? What was the something?
To go.
All right, so there we have our infinitive phrase acting like a something. It's a nominal infinitive phrase, direct object, pattern 7. We decided to go. Time and place?
To Silver Creek Falls.
Okay. And what is this one? Is this modifying us or how the deciding happened, or is it modifying, it's why we're going. Okay, why are we going?
For a picnic.
All right, now we're left with this thing. Is this a clause?
No,
Why not?
because there's no verb.
All right, there's no verb. What do you have here, though?
We have wait, I got
You know it, come on.
No, I know. It's
Use your head.
oh my god,
It's a head word, all right, there we go. What kind of weather is it?
The weather being beautiful.
Oh, look at that. We have our pattern 2 participle phrase here. And when was it being beautiful?
Last Sunday.
Okay. Head word, post noun modifier. What's this called?
It's a sentence modifier.
Good. What kind? I think you absolutely know what this is.
Absolute phrase.
Right. Every time you have a head word and a post noun modifier, it's an absolute phrase. These are great. They look like sentences. They will fool you. They look like clauses. They will fool you. They're not clauses. Why? There's no verb in here. All right. Subject and a participle phrase. That's it. Now, is it modifying us or decided? No, it's modifying the whole thing. The weather being beautiful last Sunday. That's why we decided to do all this. Okay? I think we'll take just a little bit of break and we'll split the video in half and we'll go from 6 to 12 in video number 2. All right? The trick from the beginning, when we started chapter 3 all the way up through chapter 9, is to try to find little pieces that we can put off on the side and decide what they're going to be doing later. The pieces that we're finding in chapter 9 are these things: the absolute phrases, or the meta discourse, or the subordinate clauses. Okay? Once you just take it piece by piece, much easier to see all this stuff. So we'll be right back with the second half of chapter 9.